Good morning to you guys, and today I'm gonna show you the game that I recently made. It's very simple, very easy to do. It's called Learn to Read Notes, and let me press play button. Here we have the text coming out, lesson 1, and we have a keyboard. So we have notes. Every time I press the note I'm supposed to press, like C, it lights up, and also finger lights up. And it's also normal keyboard, you can play anything. So let's go and I will show you how to do it. First of all, we will go to the backdrop. Let's go to backdrop. Let's see what we have out here. And you can see all the backdrop is just a painted keyboard with all the notes and everything. So you probably will guess, how does it work? If I press a button, it doesn't make any sound. So I made a special buttons. Let me switch to black mode. You see all those white things? Those are notes. I just painted them over the keyboard, many of them, every note. And let's go to code. I applied to them ghost effect, like 99%, so they are basically invisible. Also, I assigned the certain note. If you don't know where the notes are, you go here, add extension, and the first one is music. And here you can pull it out. You see, like play note, note C or whatever. So to any button you can assign. I painted over little buttons, little squares, and I assigned note to them. Applied ghost effect. Also, when I press note C, which is this one, it sends a message. It sends a message to sprite 1, and it shows itself. Look, you see? It shows a finger, and it also shows this one. When I receive note C, repeat 10 times, change brightness. And then repeat 10 times, change brightness to -10. So basically what I did, I just painted over little squares, assigned notes to them, and make the ghost effect 99%. Every time I press, it sends a message to those. They show up and change their brightness, and this one as well. You see this one. And that's pretty much it. Very easy to do. Learn to read notes.